everyone, this is Maria, and I was at the 99-cent store the other day, and look what I found. I found these adorable plush backpack clips. They are called Wuggle's Pets. So before we put one together, let's go ahead and read the package. It says, Wuggle Pets, collect them all, build them with love and care. This one is a Funny Monkey kit. It includes Funny Monkey, backpack clip, fluffy stuffing, magic dust, personality charms, birth certificate, and zipper tool. It also says for use with the fun-filled factory, and you can see the little fun-filled factory that's sold separately, but I did try these, you guys, and you do not need that fun-filled factory to put these together, although it would make it more fun probably. It also has on here a warning. So it says choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3. And so on the side of the box, you could see this side flap here. It says add fluffy stuffing, add magic and personality, watch your Wuggle come to life. And on the back of the box, it shows all the different ones you can collect. And so there's a magical unicorn, a bashful bear, a playful pony, funny monkey, a clever raccoon, a sunny bunny, earful elephant, and a cuddly puppy. They all look so cute. And then there's a little description of each one. It says here as seen on TV. So I guess they were advertised on television. Okay, so let's open our Wuggle. I'm excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. So adorable. I love this. And then here is, let's see. Okay, so this is a zipper tool right here. So we're going to use that for there, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's open the stuffing. So we have stuffing, and then we have, this is the magic dust. So I'm going to open some of this magic dust. It says sprinkle some magic into your Wuggle. Okay, so I'm going to open that and have that ready. Look how pretty the little stars. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of my stuffing and I'm just going to start stuffing the back of the Wuggle. Also, you might want to pick out which personality traits you want. And so I'm going to put that right there. And just stuff this in here. Let's go ahead and sprinkle some of this magic dust in. Let's bring our Wuggle to life. So I'm just going to put some of that in there. You don't have to put all of it in. I probably put a lot, you guys. And then I'm going to pick some of these. Okay, let's see. My Wuggle is going to be caring. And my Wuggle is going to be smart. And sweet. That's what my Wuggle is going to be. And I'm going to put those aside. And I'm going to stuff these in here. Okay, so I've got those in, and then I'm going to add more of the stuffing. Probably want to do a little bit at a time. So I'm going to put that right up into the Wuggle's head area. And then I'm going to add a little bit more. Just going to go down to this corner here. And a little bit more. How cute. It's already filling out. I think that might be enough. Let me just put a tiny bit more. Okay. You could just sort of put it into the corners to make your Wuggle fill out. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our zipper tool, and you can see that little pointy end right there. And because the zipper doesn't have one of those little things that you can just pull it up, so I'm going to put it, there's a little hole here, and it fits right in there. And I'm just going to pull this up, just like you do with your zipper. I may have put too much stuffing in there. I'm going to close this. Oh, got it, you guys. I got it. Oh my gosh, so cute. And there is my Wuggle. It's so adorable. I love this. Look at that. So cute. And so if you need to unzip it, you can always just put your zipper tool in and pull it down. But just pull it right back up. So now to give my Wuggle a name. And so I think because my Wuggle is green, he reminds me of an apple. And I love his little paws that sort of look like hearts to me. So I'm going to name my Wuggle Apple Heart. So now let's make the pony. Let's put the pony together. Oh my gosh, look at that adorable tail. And so let's go ahead and start stuffing the pony. I was already thinking of a name for my pony. He's so cute. And so I'm going to put a little bit more of this stuffing in, and then let's go ahead and add the magic dust. Okay, so let's go ahead and add some magic dust. There we go. And let's go ahead and add some personality traits. So my pony is sassy. Oh, no. My pony is brave. My pony is brave. My pony is loving. And my pony is daring. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and put those personality traits inside. And I'm going to keep stuffing my pony. Can you see his mane right here? And then he has his initials on his ear too. I just noticed that. Look at that tail. Okay, we're almost done stuffing the pony. So I have all of my stuffing in the pony, and I'm going to take my zipper tool and I'm going to put it right through that little hole. You can see that little hole. There we go. And that's really not a sharp edge at all. There we go, zips right up. And look how cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. And look at his hooves. You can see the little horseshoes on his hooves. And so my pony is going to be named Lucky because of the horseshoes on his hooves. And horseshoes are supposed to be good luck. So this is Lucky, and right now I'm feeling pretty lucky to have him. He's so cute. I just love him. And here is the last bear. This one is called Bashful Bear Kit. And so let's go ahead and bring her to life. So let's go ahead and stuff her. She is so cute. I was already thinking of a name for her. And her kit says Bashful Bear, but I like the color of her purple. And it reminds me of a flower. So I think I'm going to name her Iris. Okay. So let's go ahead and give Iris some magic dust. So she's got some magic dust in here. And let's give her some personality traits. And so Iris is going to be caring. And she's also going to be loving. And it says that she's bashful. And so I think I'm going to make her shy. And I think I'm also going to make her very cool. So I'm going to add one more for her. You can put as many personality traits in here that you'd like. Oh my gosh, Iris is excited. I can tell she's excited because she's coming to life. Okay, and then we're going to take our zipper tool, and I'm going to just make sure that all of this stuffing is down because I don't want it to get caught in the zipper. There we go. That was really easy. And here she is. Meet Iris. Isn't she adorable? So here they are, Wuggle's pets, and I purchased these at the 99-cent store for 99 cents each. If you do not have a 99-cent store in your area, you can also find these on eBay, although you will be paying a little bit more on eBay. So I hope you're able to find these Wuggle's pets. They make really nice gifts. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy shopping, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.